Okay, so today I just wanted to do a bit of a walkthrough of one of the presets on my Spire Acid Bank on the website. You can check that out. So what I've picked here is Acid 008, and it sounds like this. So how this is created in oscillator 1, it's just one oscillator, it's a saw wave, it's down 2 octaves, but that obviously depends on where you want it to sit in the octave range. We have one voice. The filter is the Acedo with a low pass 4 with quite a bit of resonance on there. So if I just sort of play through this or give you a little look at this filter, what's happening. Okay, in the saturation part we have the hard mode, drive all the way up, wet all the way up. There's no phaser, or there's a little bit of phaser, no chorus, some delay and some reverb. This is the envelope 1, which is the amp envelope. Nothing happening in envelope 2. LFO 1 has cutoff 1 for the filter here, sent here. So we've just got, we can send this a little bit more if we want to. That's just basically doing this with the filter over quite a slow rate. We've got the rate as free. Then what we have is in the arpeggiator section, we have just this pattern here basically. Nice little rhythm going on there. And then we have the X compressor pumped up a little bit, and we have a little bit of EQ. And that is all for this preset. If you want to check out the other presets within this pack, be sure to head over to alanmorrisstudios.com to check them out. I think there's around 30 odd presets in this pack. Actually, let's just have a quick little look. There is 30 presets, yeah. So go check it out if you're looking for the new acid inspiration. Cheers, thanks for watching.